distinguished Professor Hingangaroa Smith. This key figure in kaupapa Māori academia became Deputy Vice-Chancellor Māori at Massey University this year.
I take my role as a Māori educationist seriously. I take the two parts of those words seriously, being a Māori and the responsibilities associated with that, but also being an educationalist and involved in the necessary work of transforming our socio-economic conditions through education. I believe that our socio-economic conditions as Māori will depend on a revolution within education. My philosophy is, I think, a little bit different, and I often challenge colleagues in the educational world, to toro mai o ringa, kia kite ai au o ringa raupa. In other words, I'm interested not so much in kōrero or ngā kōrero pahu about what people might want to do in terms of transforming. What I want to do is see the change. I want to see the actual enactment. My hope is that the ministries and the agencies charged with education from the government point of view understand this, that we are getting a little bit tired of just doing things that aren't working, that there needs to be, I think, a confidence and an investment in Māori ourselves, that we do have some of the answers, that we do have the energy, that we do have the aspiration to make a difference.